This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's shift to the gold market. Well, as we just have said in the weekly update, it's difficult to add something new to the analysis since market just stands flat, and all markets in fact and across the board expect the non-farm payrolls release. That will be the first major issue that could make an impact on FOMC speech, Federal Reserve speech and FOMC meeting, and by the end of the month. The second probably will be the gross domestic product release, the preliminary data for third quarter. That will be 2 days prior to the FOMC meeting. So here, in fact, picture looks moderately bullish because market has shown the upward breakout from this wedge pattern, and we remember that this situation in general is the bullish stop grabber on the weekly time frame. That also looks like the bullish engulfing pattern, and from the weekly point of view, we could say that bearish trend is re-established only if market will take out these lows. So nearest target to the upside will stand in this area because that is the combination of the monthly pivot point has been tested yet, and take a look, daily overbought. That's 1345 approximately, and I can't exclude that market could reach even today if non-farm data will support this move on the gold market. Yes, this session in fact was the inside trading day for Friday one, so this now looks like the small pennant on the daily time frame that theoretically has the bullish color and probably could be treated as the continuation pattern. But again, of course, anything will depend on data that we will see later when the US open. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, well, in general, guys, I call you to stand with our trading plan and not trying to change it right now, because we have, I think, not bad plan, because we have chosen the very nice area for long entry. That is really a significant support, and here we also could place rather tight stop, because if market will break this level to the downside, that will be the great event in favor of the possible downward continuation, because that is confidence support, that is weekly pivot point, that is in fact the edge of the sentiment of the market. So if market will pass through the weekly pivot point to the downside, this will shift the weekly sentiment to the bearish, and if market will break it to the downside, this area, it will simultaneously shows the return right back down inside of the body of this wedge pattern. That could be treated as the failure breakout or something of that sort, and will significantly increase the probability of the downward continuation. That's why entering and taking the long position somewhere around this area will minimize our potential loss if we will be wrong. Besides, as this area is rather significant, if even market will continue move down later, it could show the bounce during the first breakout, during the first touch. That will let us to move our stop at the break even. So I think that this plan is not bad, and personally I can't find anything better right now on the gold market. The one thing that I would like to warn you about is be aware of such sort of candles to the downside. So if you will see this just when the market is just falling like the stone to the downside, do not take the long position right here. So when you see some kind of the continuation, some sort of the choppy action to the downside, well, in this case, that will be reasonable to take the long position around this area. On the hourly time frame chart, guys, I in fact even can't add any comments. Just market stands flat. This probably could be treated as the potential bullish power, since market doesn't even show any minor retracement to the downside after the breakout. stands flat. But this is mostly not some hidden bullish power, but just the market expects the data, because this could be really the turning point, the drastic point for medium-term perspective of any financial market, because that is the direct road to the speech of the Federal Reserve. So if the data will be good, that significantly increases the probability that Federal Reserve will make some clear hints on the potential tapering of the quantitative easing program. Well, that's why this data is really will be significant. So by far we have the trading plan, so I suggest that we will hold with it. Just be aware of the really nasty black candles to the downside. This is action that we would not want to see. If market will show gradual action to the downside, well, in this case probably we could take the long position in this area and hope that market will at minimum will test the monthly pivot point. It's around 1345 area. Until market will not show any development here, it's very hard to add something new to previous analysis.